I've done everything I need to do. I've listened to courses, I've watched tutorials, but still yet I run my ads and my ads still do not give me conversion. If this is you, then I'm going to be sharing with you something that you need to do so that your ad campaign can get conversion. Believe me, if you do this thing, you're going to see good results from your ad campaign. My name is Felix Onhere. I am a new media consultant and a growth marketer. If this is the first time viewing my video, please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell to turn on notification. I'm going to be sharing with you something related to digital marketing and how to scale your business online. So I had this conversation with a prospect, and she told me that she have done everything, she have watched tutorials. What different could my own bring? Okay, then I shared with her some things. Now I went in depth, I found out that there was something that she was missing out, and this is something that many businesses miss out. So you start a business, and the next thing is you want to run ad and get massive people to buy your product or to order your services or to use the services. It really do not work that way. You see, you need an audience. You need a set of people which you can build, which you can train, which you can give value over a certain period of time before telling them to buy from you. People don't just buy from you in the 21st century just like that. So there was one of my mentor, or I call her a coach. I studied her pattern. When she started, she gave her tons and tons of value upon value upon value before she started selling her product, before she started putting monetizing her product. The thing there is you need to create an audience. So I did an ad campaign for a client in the coaching industry, and she wanted to sell one of her course or her training like that, but we did not achieve that much result. One of the reasons was her budget was limited and she needed the use sources, and you know that budget is one thing you need in order for your ads to get a good conversion rate. So she had a very little budget and we didn't get that. But aside from that, I picked out something and I told her the reason why we didn't get the conversion we needed to get, irrespective of the budget was low. And I'm going to be sharing that with you. She have not yet built an audience for herself. Okay, from the ad campaign we didn't get much sign up, but within the audience which she have, she was able to get about some certain amount of people to sign up just when she posted it in her platform. So one thing you need to do is you need to build an audience. You need to build a brand of people who knows you, who like you, and who trust you. This is known as the KLT factor. Okay, until you have built that, you or your ads might not be getting results. So when you've built these people who are your target audience, who knows you, who like you, and who trust you, then you can, from those audience, create what they call a lookalike audience. So you can give Facebook this data to tell Facebook that Facebook, these are the people I have attracted to myself, and I want you to create a campaign that looks like this kind of people so that I can be able to get them to register to sign up to my business. Okay, so I always tell people in my ad campaign, whenever I want to run ad, it is not easy to convert a cold audience. It's not easy to run an ad campaign to a new set of people and tell them to buy from you. It really doesn't work that way. They have to know you first, be able to like you, trust you. The consideration aspect, the brand awareness, the consideration and the conversion aspect must go in line. So I see many business owners do this mistake over and over again. They just run an ad to a cold audience and expect them to buy from to buy their product or to buy their services. Okay, it really do not work that way. So take out time, build an audience, give them tons and tons of value. if you have a product, you sell a product, make it educational. And the product, don't just post sell but come and buy, come and buy, come and buy. People are not going to buy from you that way. Make it educational and then you sell to them. Okay, so education is one thing, make it inspirational, make it comedy, okay, put entertainment in it, but just ensure that you state out the message effectively. But there is major one thing you need to do, which is to build an audience. It is very, very important. An audience you have given tons and tons of value to. So once you've given them, whenever you tell them that to come and buy my product and my services, they will see it as if I don't buy from you, that means I'm doing you wrong by not buying from you. It's like imparting in people and then telling that, okay, I've imparted in you over this period of time. I want you to just help and support me and buy. So it will be easy for them to let go of their money to buy your product. So what you need to do is take out this time and build an audience. If this is the first time viewing my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this video, and also join my Telegram group. Okay, it's in the link. All right, click in the link below to join my Telegram group. And also if you can't find it in the link below, just check in my bio, you see a link, then you join my Telegram group. And also there's a video in the screen. Click any of the video to watch, and then I don't know what you're going to do, but just click on the video and then watch my video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time.